February 2022. Have you heard what is coming? What is coming up for truck drivers, or for new drivers, or for new people who want to be truck drivers? How they're gonna get their CDL? There's a lot that's about to happen. Let's talk about it. You might not be aware yet, or maybe you are, about some new regulations that are about to happen for CDL, for those one who want to become truck drivers, or who want to have a CDL, class A, class C, any type of CDL, or you becoming a commercial truck driver. Yeah, February 2022. We are in November right now, so in a couple of months there are some regulations that are about to hit. Now, how are they going to affect the industry? How is that going to affect the trainers, like the instructors, and how is that going to affect the companies like Mega Carrier, Prime, Schneider, Swift, USA Trucking? How is that going to affect everybody? This is my take. This is my personal opinion. But before, again, I'm a YouTuber. Hey, it's free. It's free of charge. That little button right there, just click on it. Just like it. And if you are not a subscriber yet, it doesn't cost a penny. It's just your finger. If you are here right now watching, or you want to hear my opinion, my personal opinion, please do subscribe. I will really appreciate. But let's jump into the topic. What are the regulations? What are the new regulations that are about to hit the trucking industry starting in February 7th, 2022? According to DOT, this is the very first thing that I've heard. Is rumor until it's been announced. Okay, I have some friends that are close to officials. So according to rumors right now, starting in February 2022, to be an instructor, to be a trainer, to be somebody who want to pass his knowledge to new drivers, you have to be certified. You have to have a license to be a truck driver trainer. You have to be legally listed in the DOT, with the government. That's pretty much what it's gonna become. You have to be certified in order for you to train somebody else. Right now, I am a trainer. I've been a trainer, and I am not officially certified. Yes, I had a training through Prime that helped me to know, the plan, the carnival, or what to give, like how and what and when to give to the student, to anybody who want to become a truck driver. I know how to do that. But am I listed, or am I certified through DOT? No. And that is the very first new rule, the very first regulation that is about to be implemented. That's about to become a rule. Yes, you have to be certified through the DOT, Department of Transportation, with the government. Second thing, you have to be on the road for at least 2 years. You have to be an OTR over the road, doing the 48 state, if not 50 state. Being able to you have to have been on the road for the past 2 years minimum. All right, to qualify and become a trainer is gonna be tough, because a lot of these women are there in schools, in academy, in private school. They don't have to be certified. You just have to know what you're doing. They are not certified, and they've never been on the road, but they have the knowledge, which is great. People actually know how to transfer. They can tell you how a truck operates, but they cannot actually operate a truck. Yes, it's feasible. So now you have to be a truck driver. Officially, you have to be a truck driver, and you have to be on the road. You have to have been on the road for the past at least 2 years. 2 years experience, 2 years OTR, not regional, not local, but OTR, over the road truck driver. That is what it's gonna be. And how is that gonna affect the industry? Like I said, first of all, for the private company out there, private company or school, academy training you to have your CDL, now they're gonna have to invest more in their instructor. They're gonna have to take time to recruit, to have somebody with their school that actually been on the road, and to have somebody who leave the road and become local to train students. It takes a lot. It takes somebody. It takes like you're gonna have to pay him for him to give up his road. Okay, for him to become only an instructor. Yes, you're gonna have to spend on him. And if they receive like a higher pay, you as a new driver, as somebody who wanna become a truck driver, that means the fee that you actually pay for those schools are getting higher also. All right, so everything is gonna go just upscale. The instructor gonna be rare. It's gonna be difficult now to become a truck driver. The school are going to charge more. It's gonna take longer because there are not much of them out there being OTR or driving, or like in all states like I do, like we do. Yep, it's gonna be difficult. And what is the influence on the, like, what are this company actually doing out here since they knew about this? Yes, I am just hearing about this, and it's about to happen in February, like in 3-4 months from now. But they knew it already. Like, they knew about this for, it's been a while that they knew about it. And guess what they are doing? This company, they are actually hiring. Like, they're like, do you want your CDL? Come in, we're gonna train you. When I say come in, we're gonna train you, we're gonna pay you. Oh, they are not trucks. We don't have trucks to put you into it. Don't worry, we're gonna train you. You can go home and then wait for the truck. We're gonna pay you while you're at home. Why? Because they want to make sure that you already belong to them. You're already under their belt. All right. So that is actually that they're being smart. They're actually being smart. They're being proactive because they knew that it's gonna be difficult and people are not gonna qualify that much. Yes, it's gonna take time for other guys to it's gonna take time to have students. And guess what? You who is an instructor, you're gonna be valuable. You're gonna be really, really, really important now for the industry because not much will be able to train. You are gonna now have like a certified job, like certified to be an instructor, being a truck driver. Yeah, I feel bad for those guys who only train PSD, like who do the part or just their CDL, they're having the CDL and not taking the student on the road. Yeah, that is they're definitely gonna have to be shut down because we need people on the road. We need people who actually know their road and not just people who heard about the road. Yep, it's becoming serious. If you heard about the new rule, or if you know how it's gonna affect the industry, if you want to become a truck driver, it is now. It takes 2 weeks for you to have your CDL, and it takes about 2 months or so, maybe more, depending on what company you work with. It takes about 2 months to actually have the over the road training. But if you want to have your CDL, it is now. If you ever thought of becoming a truck driver, it is now. Get that CDL, have it in your pocket, and if you like, do not use it, but already be a CDL holder, be a commercial driver license holder, and then decide to what you want to do with it now, not tomorrow. I do work with Prime. I am an instructor at Prime. I do train. I'm over the road. I will not mind you joining the team. I will not mind putting my referral under your skin. Just use that referral right there, DOTESE. Just call them. Hey, at this number, call them and let them know I've heard about this guy. He works over here at Prime. This is his driver code, and then he's the one who referred me, and I would like to be a truck driver. They're gonna put you through the process, background check, drug check, what else, work history. They're going to screen you. Being able to work also in the US, they're going to screen you, and if you do qualify, within a week, trust me, within a week, they're going to take care of you. Your lodging, like your room, like your hotel, the food, your training, they're going to take care of the food. They're going to take care of you. All you have to do is to be available to be trained and become a truck driver or become a commercial driver license owner. All right, thank you for watching. If it did help you, hey, only the thumbs up. If not, why not subscribe if you haven't yet? It is free. It is YouTube. You are not paying for it. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay blessed.